Hey there, fellow seekers of the strange and the wonderful. Are you ready to dive into the weirdest, most mind-blowing facts about our planet? I'm about to take you on a journey to discover Earth's most jaw-dropping mysteries. Hold on tight, because some of these are so bizarre, you'll be wondering how you've never heard of them before. Rapid Facts Quickies. Discover, learn, amaze. Imagine the tallest mountain on Earth. Now, what if I told you it's hidden deep beneath the surface? Meet Mount Tamu. It's technically the tallest mountain in the world, stretching way beyond Mount Everest. If we measured from the center of the Earth, it'd be 1.3 kilometers taller than Everest itself. But here's the catch: we usually measure height from sea level, not from the Earth's core, which is why Everest takes the crown. Weird, right? Picture this: a deadly, freezing fog in Antarctica, so cold it can drop the temperature to a deadly -60 degrees Celsius. It's called a katabatic fog, and it's more than just eerie, it can kill. This mist doesn't just block out the sun, it can freeze you to the bone and leave you stranded. It's as terrifying as it sounds. In the Sahara Desert, there's a bizarre phenomenon known as the will-o'-the-wisp. This eerie light appears in the night sky, with no visible source, as though the desert itself is glowing. It's caused by temperature differences between the hot air close to the ground and the cooler air higher up, an optical illusion that makes it look like something is lighting up the desert horizon. Creepy, right? Ever wondered what the oldest living thing on Earth is? It's not a turtle or a tree, it's a fungus in Oregon, USA, that's been alive for over 9,500 years. This giant underground network of mushrooms spreads across 3.5 square miles and is still growing. Think about that next time you pick up a mushroom in the supermarket. Looking for the absolute darkest place on Earth? Head to the Choconchic Caves in Mexico. This cave is so dark, it makes night feel like daylight. There's no light whatsoever, and not even plants can grow in this void. It's like stepping into the heart of total darkness. A real isolation from everything. When we think of ancient cultures, Egypt and Mesopotamia come to mind. But did you know that the oldest continuous culture on Earth belongs to the Aboriginal Australians? Their culture has been thriving for over 65,000 years. These people have passed down knowledge of the land, nature, and the cosmos through art, storytelling, and songlines. Their deep connection to the Earth is something truly unique. The largest living structure on Earth? It's the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. Spanning over 344,000 square kilometers, this underwater wonder is made up of billions of tiny corals. It's not just big, it's teeming with life and forms one of the most complex ecosystems on the planet. Let's take a trip to Venezuela, where there's a river that actually burns. The Catatumbo River is famous for regular lightning storms, where bolts hit the water with such intensity, they ignite methane gas rising from the river, setting it on fire. It's one of nature's most explosive displays, and it's almost too crazy to believe. Here's one that will really blow your mind. In 1952, in a village in Japan, something truly strange happened. The clocks started running backwards. Yes, you heard that right. The event was captured on film, but no one can explain it. Some say it's a glitch in the space-time continuum, while others think it might have been aliens messing with us. Whatever it was, it's a mystery that still baffles scientists. And finally, there's something pretty wild that happens in India: colored rain. Yep, you read that right. In Kerala, in 2001, people witnessed rain that wasn't just clear, but actually red, yellow, and even green. This happens because tiny particles, like pollen, algae, and pigments, get caught in the air, mixing with the rain and turning it all sorts of crazy colors. Earth is full of strange wonders that can't help but leave you in awe. From giant underground fungi to rivers that burn, our planet is packed with mysteries that scientists are still struggling to understand. If you've enjoyed these crazy facts, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Who knows? We might uncover even more earth-shattering secrets together.